Okay. No. Full stop. Okay, your art set's out. The pillows are still out. Your crafts are there. Your shoes are on the floor. There's a towel. That's my mess. That's my bad. I need to clean that up. But like, guys. Okay, I'm running late. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time to argue, and this is not how I want to start the morning. So, just get this done by the time I'm back, please. I love you too. I love you too. Good morning. Sorry. Love you, kiddos. I'll see you after school.
Bye, Lily. Bye. Have a good day at school.
Why did you even wake up this morning? Why did you get out of bed? Why did you think today would be any different? I mean, seriously, look at the clothes you're wearing. Same old worn-out boots, some baggy t-shirt, shitty sweatpants, shoes that you don't even upkeep. Why did you get out of bed if the day wouldn't be any better? You know it's not. You suck. You should just hurry in your car off into that ditch right there. Poor Lillian, the social butterfly with no friends. It's sad. The whole reason you joined college was, fuck off, to make friends. And your classmates don't even know your name. Just the other day, someone you considered your friend, someone you had talked to in class, asked you your name. And that happened twice. Separate occasions. I mean, seriously, how pathetic can you be that people who you know personal details about don't even know your name? I don't know what's funnier, the fact that you've introduced yourself twice to them, or the fact that you care.
Hey.
Remember what happened last time?
You good?
I'm fine.
Alright, over here.
This is why you don't have friends.
My name is Lillian Myers, and I'll be doing King Ezrin's speech from the Dragon Prince. I had a speech planned for today. It was about peace and love and hope. But I think I left something out. I ignored something that was true. Sorry. Can I start over?
back up. We both know you want to. Let's just end this.